Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Yesterday we published a video with unboxing and first review of Oukitel K7 Power. The highlight of this smartphone is 10,000 mAh battery. I know you're interested in battery test, but we haven't finished it yet. For now, we want to talk about performance. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers, not to miss new videos. Oukitel K7 Power is a budget smartphone, so it has entry-level hardware. It is powered by MediaTek MT6750T chipset with maximum clock speed 1.5 GHz. There is only 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. Fortunately, you can use microSD memory cards up to 128 GB. Let's start performance test with benchmarks. Here we faced with the first problem. Oukitel K7 Power cannot run AnTuTu. The app and the test run, but it always shows 0%, so we cannot show you AnTuTu result. In general, MT6750T processor scores about 55,000 points in AnTuTu. As for GeekBench 4, it is okay. There is 666 points in single-core test and 2722 points in multi-core test. 3D Mark shows 6663 overall score. Also, we tested GPS, Wi-Fi speed and memory speed. Everything is fine. You can see results on your screen. Now let's play some games. The first game is PUBG Mobile. Let's check the maximum available graphics for Oukitel K7 Power. As you can see, this is balanced. In general, you can play this game, but it doesn't bring much pleasure. There are noticeable lags and slowdowns. Perhaps you should try playing at minimum graphic settings. The next game is called Asphalt 9. It is a new racing game, and you can even play it comfortably on Oukitel K7 Power. Of course, it is not as smooth as on flagships, but it is okay for $99 smartphone. And the last game for today is Space Marshal 2. I found this game today, so I don't know how to play it. This game looks very interesting on screenshots in Google Play Store. In short, this is sci-fi west adventure. The genre of game is tactical top-down shooter. So here it runs, and right now the performance is pretty good. The graphic is great. I like this type of games. In addition, it works very well even on such a cheap smartphone as Oukitel K7 Power. It was performance test of Oukitel K7 Power. This is entry-level smartphone, and benchmark results confirmed this. For some reason, AnTuTu test could not even start. However, you can play most games on this phone, such as PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, etc. But you should expect lags. Thanks for watching. The next videos will be about battery and camera of Oukitel K7 Power. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.